Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a multiple field source box in Excel. First of all, prepare your data, select all, Ctrl A, then go to formats, auto fit column width, or I want to say this one, choose 3 column, then right click, column width and 17. Then go to insert. First of all, resize these cells, then go to home, then borders, and choose color for each cell box, border, color, border, then border. Now go to insert, then shape, choose this one for example, then go to shape fill, choose the color, for example this one, shape effect, choose this one, then right click, edit text, and name it first name, then press Ctrl, then grease to other sides to create another button. The same for another button. Name it again, departments. The third one, position. So now select the table, press Ctrl T, then OK. Select again the table from here without headers. Then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Role, and use a formula to determine which cells to format, and type this formula here. Type equal sign, then F, parenthesis and, parenthesis is blank, then choose the first cell, sorry, blank parenthesis, then choose the first cell, then close parenthesis, comma, is blank again, parenthesis, and choose the second cell, then comma, parenthesis, comma, is blank, then parenthesis, and choose the third cell, then parenthesis twice, comma, 0, and parenthesis search, parenthesis then the first cell, comma, and choose the first name and delete the dollar symbol here, then close, then comma, search again, parenthesis, then second cell, comma, and the department name, and delete this dollar, then close parenthesis, then comma, search again, parenthesis, then choose the third one, then comma, and the name of the position, then delete dollar, then parenthesis 3 times. Then go to format and choose which color you want. For example, red one, then OK. Let's try. For example, I will to search by name J, enter. As you can see, so choose all the cells, then go to alignments, bold. So now go to insert, then shape, choose what you want. For example, this one. Shape fill, shape effects, then this one. Right click, edit text, search, select all, then center, right click and increase to create another button, name it clear, now go to insert picture from this device, then go to the first one, go to insert again picture, this device, and to this one. Now type a name here to search, John for example, or Geo, enter. Now go to view, macro, record macro, and name it search, then go to filter, sort by color, and choose this one, then macro again and stop macro. Go to filter again, sort by color, choose this one, then record macro, clear. Now select all cells, then delete, go to macro again and stop recording macro. Now click on this button to assign macro, and select search. The same for the button clear, assign macro, then select clear, then OK. Now let's try it. J search. As you can see, GO search, GO clear. I want to search by position, for example HR search, to clear. By departments, sales search, clear. If you've enjoyed the content so far and you'd like to see more, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Subscribing to the channel helps support us and ensures that you never miss an update. But remember, subscribing is completely optional and it's entirely up to you. If you find the content valuable and want to be a part of our community, we'd love to have you on board. Thank you for your support.